Nuabana ama owusu and na celebrate trading issues at Abete Jano and Amede Ebesomo Ewe Fide Eso. Na make and Semno Eso. Ade ya ewo biase say umre obi weakness ade bia bunni na obi be gina sa asem no so na waka ne ya e dia kire na te so de asem we gina so de ayaw sa de ne de ekunsunsuma te se ekunsunsum temperance poison ekunsunsum temperance se obi apege tuo e dia pop ekunsunsum temperance obi ayi sekan e di awo na ensem de anu ya krase sekan no fenum na no bi and obi akakire yeah, personality be celebrity be amateur the sabre we free na kumemu nya abro ne nya ebitafo ensem ensem kache keke eyemuni na ensem fa ehu ensem no ebi na abayo Selly Galley our TV presenter ebiemu so no o wari prayetia awoka praye nyum for nyum to 4 3 no waka omo ebi no onu na sabre will post the picture there they say no makeup face what they add to the Instagram page and so and on adopt for them the fast the F0rgive congratulating because oh natural glow they cool I want say no makeup face there and then usual so be no makeup face into so the back to no comment na eba ni ano say for na and na one more appreciating the no makeup face no now so a Bible baku bi there or no they will move it out of the way crap or ekoka and sembia na ense fata no wo ko refer say oye horror face ebiemu so no nanim se no opa chente nanim dua eyehu e na ebiemu so no woye boni oboni ni oba boni just wontimi enwo na eno ene te say Selly Galley ete sa ensem no wegina so fi na kumemu afi ni munia abru ni nia ebushefo enya semkecha na mama nkan ni dua bona bode eto wo bai no so I will go by the Instagram name Piesie 2 say and what try say I blocked you on my verified page for similar comments. Today you are back here and with more. I wouldn't let this slide. For these ignorant words of insult that came out of your mouth to me, seeking to cause me pain and unhappiness for absolutely nothing I have done to you or your family. I said to you this Wednesday noon of October 14, 2020 that you will not live to prosper and be happy. You will have a lifetime of bad luck and depression. Everything you touch, say or do will bring unexplainable misery to you. Your generation will pass on the curse of infertility, unhappiness, madness, and misery. I call upon you this day. May your business go from bad to worse. May every pain I've ever felt in my life be transferred to you, and may every good plan that the Lord had for you be transferred to every woman waiting on the Lord for children. You will beg to die, and even death will forsake you. My Lord did not create me barren or any woman, and so may he make an example of you to show his greatness. I beg the Lord to hear my cry. And it was at the Galatians 6 verse 7 to 9. And they can what I said. Watch them and said, don't be misled. You cannot mock the justice of God. You will always harvest what you plant. Those who live only to satisfy their own sinful nature will harvest decay and death from the sinful nature. But those who live to please the Spirit will harvest everlasting life from the Spirit. I don't know what it seems so pine. I don't know to say. What pro in yet to say, Nasi for grandpa, one more enemy in some way, won't she? One grab the social media program, woman, ya phone, Mama Basubi. I will be to say, was a semi say, I will hope. I will never try to comment this and we have woman has the opportunity now in the abaya, dear bro, a year will bay. A fra from at the Symphonia extra at their body to say, I walk around on yesterday up on the at their account now. What you say, well, bad no, a yes, Selly Galley, a sem no action a pa. Now the bill come to think of it. Say, well, bad moya. Does it mean, say, or your bonia now? Well, bad ain't me or worry, fine. Say Ghana high, among moon, the expectations of society. Say worry, and I just say, my best, and 1 year, 2 year, 1 year, same pino. And it's about and moya. Ever just say, bonia now. Nay, and say that, ever or my man, I said, even social media, therefore, you have 1 fast service and back out. Will be at me, Yastimu, and in a new worry for 20 years, maybe 50 years, maybe 30 years, maybe 15 years, 7 years, 8 years, and the Kakawa. One way to me any dance day about war. And about the sign that will be a worry on Nikunute, Nukrumane pressure, Nukron and Telukum Pamoni, Nukuni in Fina and Awaria here. No will be a tear bonting, Eswa, Naman Mundiaman said, one way into Ebony. Oyeboni saying, let it cry Oyebonia, a young fiasem. Social media on a platform can say power. Will be him say a cocoa dear pronounce will be to call Germany. Will be free social media for that jail. Social media comment on the control according to according to and social tone. Will be social media post or the 2 Jamasono when you are some matters and a warrior cry ebu. Will be social media post or the 2 Jano and SMP and let me also feel on them. Let's wait. What will be a bit of a phone who credits a crowd now, one of a crowd yen. And I went to the promoter where you ma would ever call the Asama no mere I just share at the amount of the form and 7 days and see what cry. I buy your own son and go for the doctor soon a big boy Galley. I don't know me a battle the so much shape or a good monomia noir or no wood the Akakona said woman about no messana. Don't also buy no either the all kind of dear grass and the near Bresso Naso or the better just say, yes, Selly Galley no one funny pony and channel no one shedder innocently. And yes, but you can't be innocent about this. So we'll post it such a rude comment to say, oh, people just say, that's a deal, it doesn't even provoke that. And the picture more posty. You like her, now I like it. You don't like her, then you pass out. And as a way feed the pet the chocolate on one penny video, why do you follow somebody and then throw your shades at him? As soon as I go to a baboma, won't me take it, won't me handle our babono. Now we'll throw it egg or no the pet is also edging for the own personal use. Now also the whole day can one as very ready friend about yes just about so as I said they also the name same about to that is what the air patch. Now say no shall say or say the world is dark for me. I can't sleep anymore. I don't know or this 3 emo discount to me name say but it's serious. And now say I don't know who any case happen so and now they say I can't have sentence here. They said the is so good things to a war patch. See the emojis like maybe a confusion in a man or see the emojis no now so the try as caption edit to the kind to say no essay and say please God forgive me at Selly GH to please God forgive me at Selly GH to forgive me too to err is human. So I said my dear and your body me and make us to forgive is divine to err is human. Who wouldn't be said to err is human grants and obey sabon who can walk back would not what my young Edias or Baffle for so your bonin. I will book up me neighbors to our and I won't marry. So walk on as a unicorn. So what ban as a uniba. So okay, we shall correct my because as a winny becapon. That would be Jow. Nay, and some of what it's for be now what we want. That's what it's a fun hunting. Now, Beginaso. So time anti. Now I catch and so we bonny. One the aquafaba. They say I know to ace to him and I would have to that. So the betcha will no be the aqua. I am some so dear. At Siasate and some home I cattle so I change me and a bit me ama adan and I bumpire so we don't know one person there. Nanya Coco winning mobile name to Selly Galley. Winning mobile for the phone store enter Nanomian summer. Walk out there to the sun was our entrance because social media there and the open field be a 20 abroad and so some if you over there. Yes, sure, sir. A better one, Cassa. Many Edna Ama Usa. They will do it and some way. I won't know. Pomodia F0rgive, yeah, comment section. Now, if you want to follow your Instagram page and if you want to your Twitter page at @gh_. Now, don't follow your Facebook page at @gh. Now, Ama Usa enemy. Many best and me Adoma. Everybody is shabby macram.
Too much GH. We did go say Japan. A break PM B𝒶rren TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me dey the Isaac Odwampo. We betumi afem the great tampo. Mbrenbren. Wonu me kam woni hwe too much GH. Too much GH. Mu ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too much GH. We are boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.